Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Trading stocks and options involves risk. The following analysis provides a comprehensive description of the gold price action for the week starting December 28, 2025. Macro Weekly Analysis. Let's break down the key technical levels. I've color-coded the chart for clarity. Red for resistance and green for support. Also, lighter red lines indicate immediate resistance, while darker red lines mark the farthest overhead ceilings. Conversely, lighter green represents the nearest support, backed by farthest structural support, shown in darker green. Now, let's look at all green support trend lines, starting with lighter green support lines. Represents the lows in gold since November 2023, and one other lighter green support line originating from October 2006. One medium green support line that represents a trend line connecting the major lows of August 1986. Darker green support represents a trend line from February 1985 lows. Similarly, now showing resistance lines. One lighter red resistance lines originating from the recent lows of October 2008. Another, farther, darker red resistance line from lows of June 1987. Now, let's look a bit at the micro picture, looking at the 4 hours chart. The steep, parabolic trend line that guided gold's vertical ascent is currently flashing warning signals as price interacts with the upper channel resistance. Similar to recent moves in other metals, these parabolic rallies angles greater than 45 to 60 degrees rarely end sideways. They typically end with a sharp reversion to the mean. Breaking the immediate diagonal support suggests that the euphoria phase is fading and significant profit-taking is about to begin. Scenario 1: Initial correction. The first confirmed breakdown targets approximately 15% drop down to $3,651. This level aligns with the intermediate green support line and serves as the primary cool-off zone for the current overextended move. Scenario 2: Deep retracement should the $3,651 support fail to hold. The structure suggests a much deeper washout. This opens the door for an approximately 31% drop toward the $3,000 level, returning price to the long-term structural trend line. Upside cap. On the higher side, the upside appears strictly limited. The convergence of major overhead resistance lines creates a hard ceiling at roughly $4,600, making any sustained push beyond this level highly improbable in the short term. As always, do your due diligence to risk manage the trade. Join the Golden Trades Discord community for live alerts and analysis. https://thegoldentraders.com. For more free trade setups, make sure to subscribe to the channel.